Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening in any part of the world you're watching this tutorial video from. It's been a long time I did this analysis, though I base mostly on synthetic index and derivative, but I also trade currency pairs, stocks, and the rest. In this world, everybody needs to be diverse in terms of anything we are doing. So, welcome to this analysis here, this tutorial video here on Euro USD, on Euro US dollar here. So I'll be basing the analysis from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So what I'm seeing currently here is something to me is kind of interesting based on what I'm seeing right here. So I'll be doing some analysis here and see if this is going to actually play out as I'm seeing it here, or as it's going to be analyzed here. But this is just more like a technical analysis, and once you do your technical, you still need to factor in the sentiment and the fundamental to see what the market is actually going to do now, what the opportunity market is going to present itself for you. So currently here I'm going to analyze this Euro US dollar here on the monthly time frame, and as you can see from the chart here, I've actually highlighted all the major levels and what the market has been doing. So if I should zoom in a bit, you realize that this market has been on a downtrend for like some couple of years now. If you look at this market has been on a downtrend for some years now. So let me bring out my tools here so I can show you what I'm referring to, guys. So this is what I'm referring to. This market has been on a downtrend for some time now. You look at the trend line here. This market has been making a lower low to the side and keeping respecting this trend line here. And if you realize from this side, we see more like a false breakout from here, and this market also take out this low here. There's a low here, it's a low here, and it seems as if there will be a breakout, and we actually see a breakout, which is actually a false breakout, and the market actually came down to take out this low here, this two lower low here. So currently now what I'm seeing on the monthly time frame, I'm actually saying if the market is currently in a key level of structure, which is more like a resistance level, a previous support level that has become a resistance level, which is this level this level here. I'm referring to this level here. This one's more like a support level. We have like 1, 2, 3 here, and when you look back to this side, there's another support level there. The market actually respects that level a lot, so it's more like a level of support that is actually now has become a resistance zone, because from here the market respected this side, and we realize that we see a breakout from this level. We've seen a break of structure from here. So now the market currently push up to this level here. So what is it going to present us in this level the market is currently? Because based on what we are seeing from past now, we realize that that level has been a major key level which has been respected a lot. So now the market is in that level. So what are we going to expect or see from that level now? So it's what all this tutorial is all about, and despite that, you still need to factor in all this sentiment and fundamental analysis in order to determine what you have to do from that level. But let me zoom out a bit so that you actually see that level. And one of the sweetest part is this candle I'm seeing right here. Candle I'm seeing from that side that is actually making it interesting is this candle right here. This level, when the market gets to this level on this monthly time frame, realize that it seems as if the market wants us to push up by forming this bearish candle here. But when that bearish candle occurs, we see another bearish engulfing candle that engulf the whole total of that bearish candle, of this bullish candle here, and happens to be that key level of resistance. The current key level of support that became a resistance. Now we see a breakout from that level here, and now the market is pushing up to that level. The market currently is in that level. So what is the market is going to do from that level? Now what are we expecting to see from that level is what we're going to see if this market actually is going to present us with any trading opportunity from that level. So now I'm going to switch down to the weekly time frame and actually see what the market is saying there. So there, right there, now we saw something like, first see a doji candle there in that level, which actually doesn't seems to be like in the main level we're expecting to see, like this doji here, which is, if as many occur in this level now, we see maybe okay, it might be a strong signal, but it's still the doji mean an indecision. So we don't currently know what the buyers or the seller is going to do at that level there, because this doji here is still formed outside a bit, but there's a doji candle at that level there, which happens to be a key major structure of the market. So and now we see that this today candle, which is this week candle, happened to close a bit with a rejection. So is it going to be like inverted? Is it inverted hammer or a pin bar or so? But here we see something like inverted hammer here, which is more like we see a bit of rejection from this level, and I see the body of the candle is just like an inverted hammer here, right in that key level of structure. But currently now we don't actually decide if this market is going to sell or continue going up. That's why we need to keep switching on to move to the daily time frame and see what the market is actually doing. So from the daily time frame, then anything that occurred there, that will be the area or the time frame we're going to take our trade. But you can take it from any time frame, but this one is going to give you what the bigger picture or the bigger time frame is doing. So with that, when you switch to the lower time frame, you actually know what you're expecting to see for the market there. So currently right here now we're in the weekly time frame, so I'm going to switch down to the lower time frame, which is the daily time frame, and you realize from that level there, what we are seeing from that level there now, which is the key level the market has been respecting. So the market has been on an uptrend on a daily time frame, because it was actually on the uptrend from the monthly time frame. So now currently here now we see that this market has been on an uptrend from this level to this level here, which is the level we are looking at for now. So this should be Friday candle, and this should be Thursday candle. So if you want to read this candle now, we might call it a bullish engulfing pattern here, because the candle actually engulfed the previous candle. So this is Friday, this should be Thursday and Wednesday. So if you look at what is happening in this level here, you already the line I draw was this two black line here. The candle is the market is currently in those levels which I drew out. So from here now we see this bearish engulfing candle here that engulfed the whole of this bullish candle here, and it happened to be in that key level of structure. And you realize the next day, which is on Friday, the market seems to fall again. So but currently now if we want to do a trend line, we realize that the market just fall to a level of trend line, and there's still another level here which the market is currently in, another minor level here, or should I call it minor or major level here, because the market is in between those two black lines that I drew from the monthly time frame. So currently from here now you'll see there is a level here on this daily time frame. So whatever we're expecting from this side now, this is the market. We actually analyze ahead and trade with probability. So currently right here now, if we should draw our trend line, you see that the market is actually respecting a trend line on a daily time frame. So the market is currently respecting a trend line. So now let's make it that way. The market is currently respecting a trend line from that level. So we'll see that the market has been on a higher high to that level, and is currently in that level, which we see as a level of interest, or a key level of value. So currently now, what we might be expecting or want to see from this market now, we should see something like a break and we test, or see if that level might be violated or taken out. If that level can be violated or taken out, we might see a trading opportunity from there. The trend line, the market doesn't actually move like the way we read in the book at times. So, but here the market is respecting the trend line. So, but currently the trend line is drawing it. It's not that clear, but we all know that the market has been making a higher high from that level there. So currently now this market is in a key level of area of value there. So we might want to wait and see what the market will actually do before we actually take any position here. But this is where patience comes in, and currently in this level here, we don't know what the market might decide. But as we stand like this, as of this moment, I think we should be expecting any move. And today, this one happened to be December, which is end of year 2022. So by next month now we're going to see another new candle forming in the year of 2023. So which might be an opportunity for every trader to keep monitoring and see what this pair will actually trying to head to. Because if you look at it, the market is in a key level of structure now, so we don't really know what is going to occur from that level. Because from this level now, we might see a bounce to the upside that might take this level, this previous high, we might see a bounce from here that will actually push to the upside and take out this high here. If we actually see something like that, we're still going to need some confirmation. Maybe we see like a breakout from this level here that will take out this high here. Then we'll wait for the retracement. Once it retraces back to this side, we expect this previous level, then we'll take a buy trade to the upside. But currently now, if the market actually going to like break from this level here, then we'll wait and see a break and retest. We'll see if this market will actually push, maybe violate this level here. Let's assume the market will push to this side here. If this market actually pushes to this side, we might actually see if there will be a retrace or a retest to that major level before, and see if the market actually retest to it or retrace to you to respect it, and we see a sell, or we'll still wait and put in either we trade from either using the 50 moving average, to put in a 50 moving average, or any moving average any trader is using. So from that level now, from that side now, see if we can actually see a break and retest from the moving average. So let me see if I can insert the moving average here to see what this might present to us, since we are not getting the trend line perfectly. So let's see if we can actually see a clear level what the market is doing on with the help of moving average and see. Okay, still on a daily, this market is currently on a daily, this market is currently in an uptrend, as I said earlier. So if you look at it, since the market broke out from this moving average, I see that it's making it higher. So currently now, if I want to wait to take another, either a sell trade, is to see if this market will break this moving average to the downside. Then we'll now wait to see a retest to any key level, then we take a sell trade. But currently we might see a bounce to the upside that might violate this level here, but we might see a break to the downside, see a retest, and you place a trade. But despite that, you still need to trade with your tools, more like checking or functioning the fundamental and the sentiments analysis. So that will be another topic for another day. So if you like what you see, you click the like button and hit the subscription button, also share. Thanks guys.